Okay, guys, guess what? Chapter 9 just came out. I do not know what it is. Actually, I do, but. The grandmother? Oh my god. Um. So, what else? So. Ellie, they added an elephant? Oh man. And then we got Zizzy. Yeah, we got Zizzy. So I'm gonna probably try and get Ellie, or if not, I'll try and get the grandmother. I mean, I'm probably gonna definitely get it. So I'm in my VIP server right now. I wanna check. So let's see what the chapter is. Okay, so it's city. So I thought it was like the carnival or some the cave or something, but no. Wait, where's infection? Where'd infection go? Okay, I didn't even choose. Okay, so I don't know anything about this map. Okay, so there it is, our safe place. So it's the city. They'll be pretty surprised that we found someone. Who? Who'll be? Wait, what? Wait, so this is outdoors? Let's see what we. Wait, what? The piggy just spawned? Wait, I can hear his footsteps. Wait, so. But I thought we got the head start. Oh, now she just woke up. Then what the. I'm so confused. Wait, why are there two piggies? Why do I hear two piggies? Hey guys, are there actually two piggies in this map? No way. Oh, what? There are two piggies? No! No! How are there two piggies? That. What? No! I don't know if this is just glitching or something, but no, there can't be two piggies. How are there. Okay, so let's just explore the map. I just want to. So, Grandma's Piggy. So yeah, but the thing is, why are there two bots? I thought there was only one. Where does Piggy spawn? Okay, so let me just leave and then join another server. Okay, so now. Okay, so let's do chapter 9. But what? Why are there two bots? Is it supposed to be two bots, or is it just lagging or something? Oh yeah, and guys, I'm doing the Easter egg hunt. If you didn't know. Okay, so chapter 9 is city. But is there supposed to be two bots? I mean, is Ellie in the hit chapter 8? No, wait, why'd they get so big? Like, okay, city. Oh wow, so many people picked city. So, okay, let's do player for now. Let's hope we're not it. Oh, this guy. Oh yeah, they added like traps. So let's see what traps they did. Okay, so traps, egg traps. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm gonna try the egg traps. Wait, who's it? But I'm gonna try the egg traps. I just bought it. There it is, our safe. Yeah, so that we found someone who will be pretty surprised. Who? Okay, so I'm not it, but where does Piggy spawn? And why don't? Wait, so there is a Piggy. There is another bot. Cause I literally heard. Wait. Nope, can't open it. Oh, you need something. Oh, wait, so there is another bot. But she's slow. The grandmother's really slow. I'm just gonna say that. I'm sorry, but you're kind of slow. What? Did you just shut the door in my face? Oh, there's Pedro. Okay, so I'm gonna look in each room. So this is okay. So I found the yellow key. Where do I put the yellow key? This is a big map, you guys. So I got the yellow key. Where do I put the yellow key? Um, do you guys know where to put the yellow key? Oh, is this guy just showing me where to go? Nope, don't know what the heck. Oh, there's a vent here. Where does the... Oh my god! Grandma, you scared me! Oh, I got so scared. Oh my god, she just scared me. I can't even just... Oh. Okay, so I know where the red key card goes. It's upstairs. Just up here. There it is. So there are many key cards. I'm just gonna say. There are many key cards. Ooh, the wrench and... Oh, grass! Okay, grass. I got grass, you guys. Okay, so... Why does there gotta be so many... What the heck? Oh man, 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 no, 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 no. Oh my god. Why does there have to be two piggies? It's just like Forest, except more harder. Oh! What? Where's Zizzy, man? I thought she was supposed... And where's the exit? Oh, I think it's where Pedro is. Yep, that's the exit over there. So we need the code, the hammer? Wait, does he want a carrot or what? Are they both? Oh, okay, good. I thought they were both chasing me for a second. Okay, what do you need the yellow key for? Oh my god. What the heck was that? So there's more grass? That's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna look in every room. Where the heck is the... Wait. Nope. Thing in here. Where does the darn yellow key go? This is so confusing. Do they go in like one of these vents? Where does the yellow key go? Oh my god, I almost fell off. Ah, so you don't fall off. There's like an invisible wall. Ah! Go, 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 go. Hey, stupid bot. What the heck to do? Oh man, no, 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 no. Phew. Okay, this is really hard, you guys. This is actually really hard. Oh my god, you need dynamite? Where do you get dynamite? What? Oh. Where do you get dynamite? Ooh, there's something in here. Oh, so there's the purple key. When I see the purple safe, I'm gonna like... Oh, there it is! There's the yellow safe. Yellow safe. What's it? Oh, this is what Pedro needs, right? Okay, Pedro. Dang. No! Dang it. Ugh, you gotta join more. Okay, you guys. Joined another... I can't move, okay. Joined another server. Man, I was so close in that last one. Open the door. Oh man, there are so many stairs. I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice this place. Oh my god. There are this map. Did I say this map was small? Well, I'm sorry, but this map is really big. Okay, so dynamite. There's the dynamite. Okay, so we got the. There are notes everywhere in this map, but I'm just not even gonna check it. Okay, go get the dynamite. I want to see it blow. There's a pit. Oh my god. Ugh, that scared me so bad. Get away, get away, get away. Whoa. Nice explode. What? Both of you guys are chasing me? Come on, at least let one piggy chase me. Why both of you? No, I can't do the no. Uh. For some reason, I'm just gonna let the recording end by itself because for some reason I can't I don't know why, but I can't end the recording. But anyway, guys, this video is gonna end. Okay, so what are you guys even up to? Dude, you guys barely did anything. Are you kidding me? Whoa, what was that? Oh, it's bots. You guys, why'd you pick bots? If it was player and bot, then that would be just. Okay, so you guys. So you guys aren't even doing. Yep, she's probably coming out. Okay, so there are bullets, so I can tell that there's actually gonna be a gun. Okay, so bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe. So I don't know when this video will end, but oh, the fire extinguisher. That'll put out the fire. Get the fire extinguisher. Okay, finally. Okay, so now we just need the fire extinguisher and oh my gosh. My Are you kidding me? Piggy, stop it. That is so loud. Everybody's doing chapter 9. So I can't. Okay, so I heard someone die. Oh, come on, it's house. No, no house. House is a no-no. We want chapter 9. What the heck? Why is it always something different? It's of course carnival. Why do I keep trying to leave, then joining? Forget when I said that we're always everyone's playing city. Okay, now it's gallery. Are you kidding me? What did you guys do? Well, I mean, it just started, so of course you didn't do anything. Do you like muffins? Yes. I keep on joining the darn house map. I want the city map. Okay, one more. 50 seconds. Oh, they probably opened it by now. Okay, they definitely opened it. They definitely opened it. More piggy paw. Oh, are you? you guys are kidding me, right?